My name is Colin McGillivray. I'm the Operations Manager and I've been part of the Allplates family for about 4.5 years now. Well, my background for the better part of 25 years has been in procurement, both based around mining and metal manufacturing, so it was pretty easy for me to kind of fall into a role in the purchasing facet here. We have a number of people here who are long-termers, and the ALPHAFIT product itself has played a major role in what we do on a daily basis here. Everyone here understands the quality requirements for ALPHAFIT, and we're pretty proud of the product that we produce and our part that we've played in their success. Yeah, we put a lot of work in the last couple of years into creating a team dynamic here at Allplates. So rather than a lot of individual group work centres, now we have a lot more communication, and we have a team now of people who are all working towards the same goal, and that's to provide the best possible quality that we can on a consistent basis. I'm a massive supporter of Australian manufacturing, and my hope is that all the talk that I've heard during the COVID period about supporting Australian made is not just limited to, I guess, government investment, but investment from the people here to buy Australian-made products.
Yeah, my name's Quinton Walker. I've been at Allplates now for 8 years as the factory supervisor, controlling everything that happens through this factory. So when I left school, I was interested in engineering, started off running a punch machine, had seen a laser, liked the laser, got into laser, liked press braking as well, and from there I just excelled into where I am today, managing a company, so that's how I got into it. These are ALPHAFIT J-hooks that have just come off the laser. We're about to put them through our deburring machine, which will take off the edge and clean up any little burrs that the laser has left, so that when they go to powder coating, they've already got a nice radius edge and it makes them easier to get powder coated. So as you can see here, we have sanding wheels going over the parts, taking off the edge and any little burrs that the laser have left, rotating so that they get all sides of the part. So as you can see here, the sharp edge has been taken off on all the corners, so instead of having the sharp edge which it has here on this side, it's now a rounded edge, which is ideal for powder coating. So now we'll just run them through the other side, just repeating the same process. So now they've been deburred on both sides, their next process will be folding. So they'll go over to James and we'll get them folded. So I've been here ever since ALPHAFIT started, been watching it grow as a company, and it's going to be exciting to see how far it goes in the future.
I'm James. I've been at Allplates here for 10 years. I run the press brake. My day-to-day job is taking the stuff from the laser guys, which they cut, and following the drawings and folding it up to the profiles. Some of the parts are like J-hooks, spotter arms, the valved storage shelves. The ALPHAFIT engineers come up with new parts for us to work on, new changes to the drawings. It's forever evolving. We fold from like 0.5 galv or steel, or stainless, aluminium, up to, we can do up to 20 mil, but we make our own special V's for the big stuff. But pretty much the heaviest we go is up to 6 mil. Off the bat, the first one's 1 degree out, so we just give it 1 degree correction and it should follow suit for the rest of it. In theory, that should be, now it's 90 degrees. Also working with me is my son Reed. They've employed him about 2 years ago, just as a young guy, and I've trained him up on the press brake, and now from the press brake he's learnt a lot. Allplates and ALPHAFIT want to train him up on everything. Actually, my dad got me a job as an apprenticeship in New Zealand, and I actually did the sheet metal trade for 20 years in New Zealand, and then yeah, my family ended up wanting to come to Australia, so we come over here and This is actually the first place I applied for.
I think we need to start changing the way that we think on a longer term, start focusing on the Australian economy and, just as importantly, employment opportunities here in Australia. And the only way that we can do that is to support Australian-made and Australian manufacturing.